smokes, that Tatra 813 beast is tackling this insanely steep and muddy hill like a boss. Packing an estimated 250-plus horsepower, this bad boy is screaming up the slope, belching smoke like a dragon. The rear wheels are nearly airborne, but it still claws its way up. Wild stuff. The crowd's losing it, shouting and cheering like it's a monster truck showdown. That's some next-level off-road madness right there. Absolutely nuts. Oh, buddy! That's a Nissan Patrol ripping through this swampy forest trail like a muddy beast. With around 150 to 200 horsepower under the hood and beefy tires chewing up the ground, this rig ain't messing around. Mud's flying everywhere, and that engine growl is pure jungle fury. Birch trees all calm and peaceful, but the Patrol's out here raising hell. Off-road vibes, totally off the charts.
Vesa, kannattaisiko ottaa vinssillä ylös vaan, niin ei riko paikkoja ihan kokonaan.
This off-road buggy is a straight-up hill climb monster. It's clawing its way up that steep, sandy slope like it's nothing. Those oversized tires, beefed-up suspension, and what sounds like 300 horses under the hood. This rig ain't playing games. Dirt flying, engine roaring. It's like a scene out of an action movie. That's some wild, raw, off-road energy. Total adrenaline rush, man.
missä nyt panit? Bella.
This Steyr-Puch-Pinzgauer ain't playing around. Look at it crushing that gnarly mud pit like it's nothing. Front wheel hanging in the air, rear just digging in like a beast. That drop off to the right looks wicked steep, but the driver's like, whatever, full send mode activated. Suspension's flexing like a champ, and the tires straight up clawing the earth. Man, this rig is built different. Total off-road savage. Damn, this Mitsubishi Pajero is deep in the mud pit, like totally bogged down. It's stuck like glue, wheels spinning like crazy, but going nowhere fast. That front end's nosediving, grill half-eaten by the muck, and it's just sitting there struggling. Yo, talk about being in a real jam. This ain't off-roading, this is mud wrestling with a 4x4. Pajero's trying, but man, it's looking rough out here. Whoa! That yellow proto off-road rig is tearing up the trail like a savage. Smoke's billowing, rear tires spitting dirt like a tornado, And the whole ride's bouncing like it's got a mind of its own. The driver? Cool as ice, straight mobbing through that nasty curve like it's nothing. This ain't your grandma's Sunday drive. This is full send. No fear madness. Straight up wild, bro. Holy smokes, this Mercedes-Benz Unimog is straight up a swamp beast. Climbing out of that muddy pit like a boss. Front wheels up, rear digging hard, flexing like mad. That bank's steep as heck, but this rig don't care. It's crawling out like it owns the place. Water splashing, mud flying, and the trees are shaking from the torque. Total mud monster vibes, man. This is some serious off-road flex. Yo, this Tatra 813 is straight up going beast mode. Climbing that steep sandy wall solo, rear tires digging hard, front wheels already hanging in the air. The whole truck's tilted like it's about to bail, but the driver's got nerves of steel, punching it full throttle. Dust flying, engine screaming. The crowd can't take their eyes off it. This ain't just off-roading, man. This is boss-level madness.